Hi everybody, Robert Dyer, and welcome to the Robert Dyer channel, where today I'm testing another classic meal from Stouffer's. This is Stouffer's Turkey Tetrazzini, which has white meat turkey, pasta, mushrooms, and celery in a creamy sauce. It's under the classics line. This has 31% fat for the day, 40% saturated fat, 18% cholesterol, 1,030 milligrams of sodium. The history of this is interesting. Tetrazzini can be chicken, turkey, or fish, and there's some argument as to how it developed. It's named after an opera singer in the early 1900s named Luisa Tetrazzini. One story is that she brought this recipe from Italy and had a hotel chef make it, and another two stories say that a hotel chef made it up himself and named it after her, either at the Knickerbocker Hotel in New York or in San Francisco. But in any case, if you're in Times Square in the subway station, look for the door that says Knickerbocker over it, and you'll see that's an old door to the hotel. Do not go in there. So it's not surprising that this started to show up in cookbooks in the 1910s, and with Stouffer's opening their first restaurant in the 20s, it's not surprising that they would offer this on the menu. So I've got this going in the microwave right now. Let's get it out and see how it looks. So here's what it looks like on the box, and here it is out of the microwave. You can see the breadcrumbs on the top, the cream sauce. Now let's stir it up a bit here. You can see the celery pieces here. Steam coming off. There's a very large mushroom here and there. Piece of turkey. The aroma of this seems to primarily be the turkey, the mushrooms, the celery, and the breadcrumbs. That's what I can pick up. So let's first try a piece of this turkey. Now let's try one bite of everything. The celery's got a good crunch to it. This turkey tetrazzini turned out to be better than I expected. The turkey has a classic Thanksgiving turkey flavor. It's tender, and so is the mushroom that's in there. I counted 11 chunks of the turkey. The crisp celery has a good flavor. The pasta is soft, and the breadcrumbs start out crispy. You may want to not stir it up if you want the breadcrumbs to be crisp. They got a little bit more moist as they were stirred around. The sauce that it's in, a cream sauce with sherry in it. If you want something real spicy, this is probably not for you, but as a rich sauce, it's very good. It has a great flavor. This does seem to be a classic American dinner. It's got me warmed up again, even with the temperature outside. So I'm going to give this 5 stars. Another classic from Stouffer's. So I hope you like this video. Share it with your friends. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye everybody.